reviewing chapter 11, okay, lesson 5. It says tell time to the minute. So look at your time. It says the time can be represented on a digital clock or an analog clock. Okay, the analog clock has an hour hand and a minute hand. The digital clock shows the numbers that are separated by a colon. So look for the example. It says the clock shows the time Erica got home from dance class. What time is it? Now you notice that the hour hand is between the 6 and the 5. So is it 6 o'clock or is it still 5? It's still 5, right? So the shorter hand is the hour hand. It has passed 5 but has not reached 6 yet. So it's still, the hour is still going to be 5. But how many minutes is that though? The hour is going to be 5. And then how many minutes? Well, if I count by fives, just like they did here, I count by 5 starting at 12. So it's 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and then two more counting by ones, 45, 46, 47. Okay. So 45, 46, and 47. So how many minutes have passed? How many minutes? Right here. 47. 47 minutes have passed. So the actual time is going to be my actual time is going to be 5:47. All right. So the example number 2, they give you Jake's soccer practice ended. What time is it? And the digits before the colon show the hour hand. So the digits before the colon right here, that's the hour hand. The digit after the colon are the minutes. Okay, so you would read 12:15 or 15 minutes past 12. With us, we normally just use 12:15. Okay, we rarely say 15 minutes past 12. But you could, that's fine, you could do that too. Okay, both of them are correct, but the majority of the time they just say 12:15. Other parts of the country or even the world, it'll say 15 past 12. So how would you write that? You would write 12 colon 15. Let's look at the examples, please. I'll do a couple examples. I'll do number 1 for you, and then you could do 2 and 3. Okay, and it says circle the correct time shown on each digital or analog clock. Okay, the clock shows, what time is this? 5:15. So is it 15 minutes before 5 or 5:15? 5:15. If it was 15 minutes before 5, that would be 4:45. All right, go ahead and do 2 and 3 for me, please. So for number 2, the hour hand is between the 12 and the 1. So is it 1 o'clock or 12? It's 12. And then from there, I need to count. I went 12 to 1, that's 5, 10, 15, 20. So it's actually, the hour hand is between 12 and 1, so that's 12. And how many minutes? 20. So the answer is 12:20. Okay. The hour hand here, is it past the 2? No, so it's between the 1 and the 2, that's still 1 o'clock. However, the hour hand is pointing to the 10, so I count by 5s, 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. So what time is it? 1:50. Then do number 4 and number 5, please. So for number 4, the hour hand is between the 10 and the 11. So what time would that be? The hour. If it's between the 10 and the 11, yeah, it's still 10. Then I have the count. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Plus, it looks like it's Two more, right? Oh, whoops, sorry. I went too far. It's okay. We're Spartans can make mistakes. So it's 10, but they went 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and three more spaces, 28. So 25, 26, 27, 28. So it's 10, 28, 10, 28. 10, 28. And number 5, it's a digital clock, so the hour is 3 and 44. So is it just 44 minutes or 3:44? If it was just if it was just 44 minutes, it would just be colon with 44 like this and nothing here. Okay, that would be like on your like a time stopwatch. Okay, so the answer is actually 3:44. Time shown on each digital or analog clock in numbers and words. Okay, so look at number 6. Okay, we're at actually 5. Yep, we're at actually 5, so it's going to be 5. How many minutes past 5? Well, let's see. From 12 to 1, that's 5, 5, and then 6, 7, 8. So there's actually 8 minutes after 5. So how would I write that? 5, and then colon, and then what else? 8 or 08? 08, correct. Okay. And then number 7, it's actually 11. It's not all the way to 12 yet, so but the minute has pointing to 11. So let's see, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So it's 11:55. And how would I write that? How would I write it in digital form? With my colons. 11:55. So for number 10, this is what you should have. It's the hour hand is between the 3 and the 4. What time would that? What hour would that be? If it's between the 3 and the 4, it's still going to be 3 o'clock. Yes. Great. And then it looks like it has 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So this one's 3:45. Which one's 3:45? The third one right here. Okay. That one looks like it's between the 4 and the 5, so it's still 4 o'clock. And then they went 2 little spaces, so that the number 12 is going to be 4:02. Correct. That one's there. Number 11 is between the hour hand is between the 7 and the 8, so that's still 7. And then the minutes is 5, 10, 15. 2 more, 16, 17. So 7, 17. That would be the second one here. And then this is between the 8, well, the last one, so this would be 8:53. All right.